Okay, we are going to create the mad values of the, let's just go with the green scores of our data. So our first job, select the data. And remember, last time we added a couple things at the bottom. We added the mean and the median at the bottom before, so we don't want to put that in. Well, maybe we'll put the mean in this time. Control C, add a new tab, Control V. But we got to remember that this is the mean, so let me make it another color. And maybe I'll move it down so I don't get confused. That's a separate deal. That is the average. Oh, I wanted to put the title up here. Green. There we go. I don't need these all decimals because they were all whole numbers originally, but this little guy I do need as a decimal so I can see what's going on. This is the average. So I'm going to write on there mean. Alright, next we need to take the mean and subtract each data piece, each data value, each x value here. So, equals this mean minus the value in front of it, which is A2. If we hit enter, it's very cute, very cutesy, very demure. And if we fill down, here's the problem. If I fill down right now with this formula, watch this. Where? Oh, it automatically says, do you want to keep? Oh my goodness, I was going to tell you a secret, but it's suggesting it for you. Yes is the answer. I will tell you why. Accept suggestion. You want, in that formula, you want to put a dollar sign in front of the column A, and you want to put a dollar sign in front of the row 14. Because what that does is that means each time it's going to automatically take this mean and subtract this value. This mean and subtract this value. This mean and subtract this value. So it's not going to change the mean that it's pulling from. It's going to keep this the same. And that's what we wanted to do. The only way it'll do that is if it has the dollar sign in front of the A and the 14. And it automatically asked if we wanted that. That was so nice. I appreciate that, Google Sheets. Thank you. All right, but now we need the absolute value of each of those. I'm going to use a capital I to make it look like the absolute value symbol. I know that's not the absolute value symbol, but it looks like it. Equals A, B, S. Oh, isn't that nice? It says, do you want to use the absolute value? Yes, I do. Thank you so much. And I want the absolute value of B2. Thank you so much. Now watch. I bet if I hit enter, it's going to say, do you want to do this a bunch more? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I want to find the absolute value of all these. Boom. Not these two, though. Delete that. And you'll notice this -7 became a +7, which is beautiful. So, we did all the hard part. Now we're going to find the actual math score. So we did the mean and the absolute value of the difference. And now we find the average of all of those. And look, I start typing an average. It says, do you want the average of all this? Yes, I do. And I'm going to double click it and make sure it highlighted what I want. It sure did. Bada bing, bada boom. That is the average. Now just to clean things up a bit, I'm going to highlight both of these and just make them both like 3 or 4 decimals long. You decide how many. I just want it to look the same because I'm like that.